First use. Gemini can translate anything instantly. Gemini helps you write emails, messages, and English sentences better. And you can show Gemini any picture. It explains everything clearly. Gemini can summarize long documents or notes in seconds. Use Gemini as your daily planner, tasks, reminders, ideas. Gemini can fix grammar, spelling, and rewrite your sentences perfectly. Gemini helps you write smart replies for WhatsApp, Facebook, or email. Gemini gives you creative ideas for business, video, captions, anything. Gemini can solve math problems and explain them step by step. And personally, you can ask Gemini for real advice. Travel, shopping, study, anything. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to KAKA AI. Lesson 5 is coming soon.